Replace a telephone wall plate. Telephones, due to their convenience, are placed in all parts of the household where they are needed, such as the living room, bedroom, and the kitchen. Wall plates are usually used to mount the telephones on the kitchen wall to avoid the hassle of answering the phone in other parts of the house. These wall plates are usually sturdy, but they can get damaged or worn out with time. At such instances, you may need to replace your telephone wall plate with a new one. There are various contact persons you can call on the yellow pages to replace the wall plate for you. But if you don't have the luxury to do so, then you can just do it by yourself. Replacing a telephone wall plate is a fairly easy task. Here's how. Disconnect the phone wiring. Before you can install a new wall plate, you need to remove the old one first and almost everything that comes with it. Disconnect the phone wiring first before unscrewing anything. Unplug the telephone wire from the phone jack. Most telephones are connected via a modular plug made of plastic. All you need to do is just press on the small plastic snip and pull the wire off the jack. Remember to apply pressure on the plug and not on the wire. Applying traction on the wire can break it and you might find yourself in need of repair. Also, applying pressure on the jack can avoid from damaging the phone wires. Remove the old wall plate. After you have disconnected the phone wiring, set it aside free from your work area. There are wire clips you can use to make it organized. Get a screwdriver that will fit the screws on your plate and start unscrewing all of them. Place the screws in a container so it can be used for later. If the screws are old and corroded, discard them and purchase new ones. Gently take the old phone plate off the wall and discard or recycle it. Attach the new telephone wall plate. Now that you have removed the old wall plate, you can now install the new one. It may be better to purchase the same model so you won't have a hard time during installation. Dust the wall first before placing the new one. This is prevention for any untoward problems caused by dirt like corrosion of the screws. Align the new plate on the wall and thread the screws through it. Connect the telephone wire. Check if you have attached the wall plate properly before reconnecting the wiring. Then plug the wire into the phone jack. If you have the modular plug, you will hear a clicking sound indicating you have plugged it properly. Check your work again to be sure you've done everything correctly. Doing these can only take about 10 minutes or a bit more. If you are having problems on replacing your telephone wall plate, Do not hesitate to ask for help from someone who knows how to do it.